Hello and welcome to PMRExpo 2015. My name is Tim Clark and I'm our Product Go-to-Market Director for Motorola Solutions across the Europe and Africa region. Today we're announcing for the first time publicly our new MOTOTRBO next generation trunking solution, Capacity Max. We've enjoyed great success with MOTOTRBO across the Europe and Africa region, and Capacity Max builds upon that success with new features and new capabilities, and building upon what we've had success with in Link Capacity Plus and Connect Plus across the region. Very importantly, Capacity Max is fully compliant with the ETSI DMR standard Mode 3 operation for trunking systems. Also very importantly, there's a smooth migration path to take our customers from existing MOTOTRBO solutions to Capacity Max through software upgrades. Also, it's possible to migrate from analog MPT systems also to get to the Capacity Max solution. So it's very flexible and scalable in that respect. A very important success factor of MOTOTRBO has been our applications through our third-party developers. And of course, Capacity Max continues that trend. So applications that are available today on MOTOTRBO will also be available on Capacity Max in the future.
Public safety is evolving, and driving that evolution of public safety is a need to be much more efficient and effective. And a key driver for this shift in becoming much more efficient and effective, we believe, is the power of data. Data is being enabled this transformation from a mindset that's focused on reacting and responding to one that's being more proactive and potentially predicting and even preventing crimes from happening. And what we show today is some of the solutions that we can provide customers to enable that shift from reactive to more proactive. So today, we know that the flow of data into public safety continues to increase. The challenge really for public safety is to make sense of this data and convert it to actionable intelligence. If we can use the data in the right way, we can apply that intelligence in a number of areas. We can apply the intelligence to help with predicting and preventing crimes from happening, for example. We can also apply that data to enable us to detect threats earlier and to respond much more effectively and more efficiently. Now, what we're showing here is the ability to locate the potential of crimes happening in a specific area. And by being very specific about that information, we believe that agencies will benefit from directing patrols in areas that need more focus. And by doing that, you can be much more efficient in terms of your allocation of resources. So what we're seeing over here is an application that just that, and that application is called Command Central Predictive. Where predictive differs from the traditional approach, which is the hotspot analysis, is there is a focus beyond just looking at where crimes are happening. There's a focus on looking at crime patterns, looking at the location of crimes, looking at trends of different types of crimes, and also looking at the interaction of crimes. If we put all this together, we can be very, very specific about the potential or probability of a crime happening in a specific area. What that means is we can be much more efficient in allocating resources. And given today's concern of fewer resources required to do more, we believe that there's a chance for customers to be much more efficient and to leverage their resources to the maximum. There are various types of data we can use to provide situational awareness. That could be data from video cameras that we have on the ground. And this map over here shows a geospatial view of an area in Cologne. And in this area, we can see live CCTV footage from fixed cameras. We can also see social media feeds coming from Twitter or Instagram. And what we're doing here is enabling the early detection of a threat. With social media, for example, using a keyword analysis, we can detect certain keywords and use that as a way to determine the potential of an incident occurring in a specific area. With the real-time video capture, we can actually zoom into an area and get even more deeper situational awareness about the situation. And by getting all this information, the hope is we can allow agencies to respond to incidents much more efficiently and more accurately. So one of the great things about PMRExpo is the breadth of the audience. You'll have people here coming from commercial industries, and you also have people from public safety. And one of the interesting things we found was there's actually a lot of commonality in the needs of these two communities. We were very interested to see a very strong focus on LTE, both in the commercial sector and also public safety. So we look forward to seeing further developments in involving both the businesses for public safety and also for the commercial customers. Look forward to seeing you next year.